Hello, welcome back to Bell Baker channel. Right now we're going to do is Jupyter Notebook. Right here we are in Jupyter Notebook. Right here you see my title is AI Notebook. So basically I'm going to show you data science, what we can use for Jupyter Notebook. Basically, if you guys do not know what is Jupyter Notebook, basically is just using Python 3. So right here you see it right here, Python 3, and right here is the logo. So basically, I have it in my PyCharm, but in the next video, I'm going to show you how to install it in PyCharm, the Jupyter Notebook. And basically, we'll send you to the browse, and right here, where I'm right here in the browse. So right now, we're going to do the basic stuff and show you how to do it. Right here, I just put right here my CBS. So basically, going to read and going to display my head. Right here is 19, which head means is just like going to display right here, this data. It give you 19. In total is just like 18 rows, but right here we put 19. And right here is kind of interesting, seeing the stock market or something. Something is so interesting, knowing this information. So right now we're going to do an example. I want to know about the information of the data set. So right here I'm going to put data information. Oh, right here I'm going to write markdown. Okay, you make sure if you're in code is this one. This one is code. Right here, all of this is code except this one because it doesn't have in or 15, 13, doesn't have any of those. So we can do is just do this. Let's put to hashtag data information, shift enter. Oh, I forgot to put space. Always remember to put space. Really important. Okay. What else we can do is just put SA underscore I equal, not equal, dot info. Shift enter. It will show you the whole information right here. So that is really cool. Then we're going to do we're going to write markdown, override it, markdown, and let's just put data set. Okay, right here we're going to put SA underscore AI dot shape. So basically we'll give you this like an X and a Y. So basically it just gives you this, which is really helpful for anyone that is using for data science. So basically this is really good information. Also we want to do is the value, the D text, SA underscore AI dot D type, shift enter, which is just basically it's just like basically it's going to run it. So right now we can keep going. So basically, this will going to show you the rate, the values. So right here, this is like a really good information. Right here, you see NA. So we're going to fix that later on. Show you how to do on other video, on other YouTube video. So basically, it will show you how to fix those NA. You can fix it. Okay, if you don't know what it means NA, I'll explain it to you right now. NA means not a number. So basically, it's just like defining it doesn't have a number. Like for example, right here, 2015.0, and then it's just like right here have different numbers. So to do that, just look out for my YouTube channel. Just look out for a video which is coming up anytime soon to show you this, how to fix this. And hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.